That is how it came out. I'm not sure if y'all heard that, but it said da-da. So y'all know that's old. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tiffany Nicole. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. It is an old MacBook. It's like, I think it's 2012 version. This is my very first MacBook. I do hate that I had to buy an older version for it to be my first, but MacBooks are very expensive. MacBooks are very expensive, so I had to do what I had to do. I think I only paid $350 for this, so I think this will be okay until I'm able to afford the newer version. So hopefully this works good. Hopefully. So before we get into this video, I need y'all to subscribe to my channel like right now. I'll wait on y'all right quick. Did y'all subscribe? Okay, let's get started, y'all. Alright, so I am about to open her up. I'm really excited. I'm hoping that everything works well and it just holds me over until I'm able to get my new one. This is a MacBook Pro 13-inch. So here is what it says over here. I am not tech savvy at all, but I'll let y'all know. It's MacBook Pro 13-inch, 500 gigabytes, 4 gigabyte, 2.5 core i5 silver. Not really sure what that is. I don't know. So, as y'all know, this is a refurbished MacBook. And it's from 2012. So this is how it looks. It is slightly dented. As you can see, there's a dent right there. There's a little mark right here. And that's it, I think. Let's open her up. Okay. She's pretty, she looks pretty good. Looks like it's, yeah, this is how it looks, y'all. MacBook Pro. There's the keyboard. There's no dents on here. It looks pretty new. So I'm gonna press the power button. That is how it came out. I'm not sure if y'all heard that, but it said da-da. So y'all know that's old. And then the only thing it came with is the charger. And it is one of those old chargers with the magnet. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna let her come on. She's loading right now.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape.
Know how to do it. So it's just a basic setup, as you can see. I am just, choosing. This Mac will be configured. I don't even know who or what that is. I guess I just click continue. I don't know. Oh my God. Please don't tell me this is a stolen laptop. How do I get in? I'm kind of upset. I was trying to set up my laptop, but since it is purchased from someone else, I guess they are selling it from a school, so it's still tied to the school. So I had to send an email to the lady to get it untied to that school district, and they are on spring break next week. So I may not have access to this laptop till the week after next. So I'm kind of bummed about that. And I'm so bummed because the laptop was supposed to come yesterday. And if it would have came yesterday, then I could have had this handled, today. But I didn't get the laptop until today after 5. So, bummer. So I'll come back once it is up and running. Don't pay attention to these, y'all. It's that time of the month. But yeah, I'll come back once everything is up and running. All right, you guys. So after a week, I was after a week, I was finally able to get it unlinked from the school that it was tied to, and I had to contact Apple to do a factory reset. So now I'm just waiting on this to install. I think the version that it has is Mac OS Sierra. So this is a pretty old Mac. I think this is a, like I said, this is a 2012 version. And when I talked to the Apple customer service rep, I think they said the latest that I can install would be Catalina. So once this is done and I do my setup, then I will give them a call back and we will go from there. All right, y'all. So I'm in here. Here are all my apps. I'm going to try to play with it a little bit. Try to find iMovie. Because that's basically what I'll be using on this computer. That's really why I got it. So, yeah. This is how it looks. Pretty cool. My first MacBook. I'll be able to upgrade next year because I know I'm about to hit my 1,000 subscribers and my watch time. Your girl about to get monetized. Hey you guys, so I decided to just talk throughout the rest of the video just to give you guys my feedback on this MacBook. So yeah, it's been a long time coming. So like I said, I received the MacBook a week before the school district's spring break, so I had to wait a week to get it unlinked from the school. The lady was very nice. So yesterday, Monday, the 22nd, she unlinked it, and then that's when she told me that I would have to call the Apple customer service line to get it reset. So I had to call them because I know nothing about Apple, so I didn't know how to reset it, and it's pretty simple. You just had to press Command R. So that's what I did. So I uninstalled everything, and then I got it running on Mac OS Sierra. So once I got in, the only reason I purchased this laptop is to use iMovie. So when I got in and went to the App Store and tried to download iMovie, they said I could not download it because the update required a higher, number. So it was like 10.15 point something like that. I called the Apple customer service again, and that's when they told me that the highest would be Mac OS Catalina. So I was like, so once I download that, will I be able to do iMovie? So she was like, yeah. So that's what I had to do. I had to download Mac OS Catalina. That took about a day because once I restarted my computer again to reset it, encrypting files. So that took about 24 hours. So I had to wait on that. So once that got done, then I was able to download Catalina. So now I am in my in iMovie now. So as you can see, iMovie is there and working. So should you purchase an older version, like I said, I have the 2012 version of the MacBook Pro. As of right now, I think it is worth it. I paid around $350 for my MacBook, and I think that's very reasonable compared to thousands of dollars, $1,000, $2,000 for a MacBook. So I do think it's worth it, especially like college students, new YouTubers like me. You don't want to use your phone all the time. I definitely think it's worth it to purchase this. I will leave the link down below. Also to do your research. I think I got too excited when I purchased my MacBook. I didn't really do too much research on it. If I did, I would have probably purchased a newer model, because right after I purchased this laptop, I went back on the website and I'm like, oh, I could have purchased this one. and it was like around the same price. So definitely just take your time and do your research on these refurbished laptops. This is my second time purchasing from iTech Deals. Definitely check that website out. I would definitely leave it down below. Also check out Amazon and Walmart. I really hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will try my best to answer them for you, or I'll just direct you to the website. Okay? And again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subscribers.